In this tutorial, we're going to learn about different appliances that helps us measuring the different components of an electric circuit. We're going to start with the ammeter. Ammeter is a device used to measure the size of the electric current flowing in a circuit in amperes. Amperes is the unit of an electric current in a previous tutorial. Also, it is called an amp meter. An ammeter measures different current values, like in milliampere or ampere or kiloampere. The next device is called the voltmeter. You can see how the voltmeter looks in the pictures on the right. It is an instrument used for measuring electrical potential difference or voltage between 2 points in an electric circuit in volts. So it measures a voltage in lamp, motor, in volts. This is how you connect an ammeter and a voltmeter in a circuit. A voltmeter is connected in parallel and an ammeter is connected in series. Last we have the ohmmeter. Ohmmeter is called a resistance meter. You can see how it looks in the pictures on the right. It is an electrical instrument that measures electrical resistance.